What is that growth mindset you kept and how it helped you from your EY journey to now Tansy Mom?
अगर हमें आगे बढ़ना है तो हमें ये XYZ चीजें करनी, बट समटाइम्स वो XYZ की जगह ZYX भी करनी पड़ेगी, एंड दैट इज व्हाट अनलर्निंग इज. When I realized that I'm alone in this journey in motherhood, why not start sharing, making other women or moms feel that they're not alone. My dreams were big. So I had to take that risk, that leap of faith, break the karmic cycle also, I would say. When I took my decision of becoming a single mom, that was also a growth mindset. I 100%. Could not grow, I felt. Why I have grown? Because I put blinders on when I work. So मुझे कुछ फर्क नहीं पड़ता कि दूसरा क्या कर रहा है, नहीं कर रहा है. I don't scroll on Instagram. People when ask me कि ये ट्रेंड कर लो, मुझे ही नहीं पता होता because
हम ट्रेंड सेट करते हैं. So I heard somebody saying exactly the same word. ऐसे आगे रुको, नीचे पढ़ो, ऊपर आगे. Hi everyone, I am Pallavi Mehra on Believes on Board and with Tanya Mehra, Tansy Mommy. Tanya, the moment I met you, you were reflecting a light. And what a bright light. So I've seen your journey, I've been following you and I want to tell you one thing is very complimenting. हम एक quick fix वाली दुनिया में जी रहे हैं, right? And your solutions are like that. बच्चे को ये प्रॉब्लम है, ये करो. आपको ये खिलाना, इसको इस तरीके से मोल्ड करके करो, which is very, very helpful. I would like to understand one thing from you, from your EY journey, which is like a dream job that people have, to now Tansy Mommy, which is like a brilliant page, well-renowned, everybody knows you, we love you. What is that growth mindset you kept and how it helped you during your early period and now?
So I think for me, growth mindset is just taking that risk to evolve.
Perfect.
And it is not just evolving, but also unlearning.
Wow.
I think it's very important क्योंकि हम बहुत बार we have certain beliefs, certain mindsets जो fixed है हमारे mind में.
Absolutely.
And कि अगर हमें आगे बढ़ना है तो हमें ये XYZ चीजें करनी है. But sometimes वो XYZ की जगह ZYX भी करनी पड़ती है. And that is what unlearning is. And I think that has helped me a lot because when I moved from EY, when I took that risk, that step, everyone was shocked and, including my family. And why? Yes, EY is a dream job for a lot of people, but honestly, I never felt that calling that much. And when I became a mother, motherhood, I think, took over me. And when I realized that, I'm alone in this journey in motherhood.
Yes.
And I have so many questions. I have no one to go to. Why not start sharing? Why not making other women or moms feel that they're not alone?
Right.
And I just took that risk.
Wow.
And I am like a very decisive person. I take decisions in minutes. Like I don't think a lot.
That has helped you a lot.
Yeah. And that just works. Like I don't overthink. एक बार ले लिया. सोच लिया. So, they say that if you want to go from A to B,
right,
A has to go near B, right? And if you are not able to reach from A to B, maybe जो आपका रास्ता आप ले रहे हो वो सही नहीं है. You've got to break the cycle, rework, take a different path and reach C.
Absolutely.
So, over my corporate years, I realized that I wanted something, like my dreams were big.
Way bigger. Yes.
And, had I been stuck there, I would have taken years to kind of reach there.
True.
And I was not even enjoying it in the process. So I had to take that risk, that leap of faith, break the cycle, break the karmic cycle also, I would feel.
And also loop of fear that a lot of people have.
Yes.
Right.
And I just went on head in. Like, I had no idea. And I'm being very honest. ना मुझे editing आती थी, ना post बनाना आता था, ना
कैसे शुरू करना है.
हाँ, कैसे शुरू करना है, ना मैंने किसी से सीखा.
Wow.
I just started, जो समझ आ रहा था वो हम कर रहे थे. कभी cover image क्या होती है वो भी नहीं पता था. So, I think the first 2 years of my content creation journey, there was no cover image, no text on videos.
मतलब छोटी से छोटी चीज आपने खुद समझ के ही सीखी है.
Correct. जो हो रहा है कुछ नहीं हो रहा है. And then I think from that, I have grown. And why I have grown? Because I personally feel that it's my quality that I put blinders on when I work. मैं दूसरों को नहीं देखती.
Wow.
So मुझे कुछ फर्क नहीं पड़ता कि दूसरा क्या कर रहा है नहीं कर रहा है. In fact, I don't scroll on Instagram. I have never scrolled on Instagram or just to pass time. Never. Because मेरे पास इतना time ही नहीं है. So all the time that I have, I spend that on content creation. अपना काम करा, schedule करा, सब कुछ करा और बाहर आ गए. Like,
Right.
So when people ask me कि ये trend कर लो, मुझे पता ही नहीं होते हैं. मुझे ही नहीं पता होते because
हम ट्रेंड सेट करते हैं.
because मैं देखती ही नहीं हूँ.
Wow.
And
What a candid conversation. कि मैं देखती ही नहीं हूँ, मैं जिसमें परफेक्ट हूँ, ब्लाइंडर्स लगाए आगे बढ़ो. So I heard somebody saying exactly the same words. कुछ भी हो जाए ऐसे आगे रुको नीचे पढ़ो ऊपर आगे.
So exactly.
It's so nice.
What I follow. And in fact, people, especially content creators,
Yes.
we get trapped in numbers, the competition of numbers. And I've thankfully, gratefully, never ever kind of trapped in that fear, that guilt or, constant frustration नहीं है. Why? Because I don't look. मुझे पता ही नहीं है दूसरों के कितने हैं. I'm being very honest. मुझे पता ही नहीं है. I am so preoccupied with my own work and my friend, like my fellow friend bloggers जो हैं, they're always telling me ये तो देख ले जाकर, go see उसके कितने आ गए, followers हो गए, कितने likes हो गए, and I have no idea.
But ये बहुत जरूरी है because you have idea what you want to do. So one thing that I've learned in my life following people like you is क्या नहीं करना. ये पता होना बहुत जरूरी है. क्या करना है तो वो हम कर रहे हैं.
Figure out कर लेंगे. Yes, and I think
Very
taking
true.
risks anywhere in life,
Wow.
irrespective of your situation, if you're a mom, not a mom, married, not married, anything, very important. Why? Because वो आपका karmic cycle break करता है. जो आप करते आ रहे हो उसको break करता है. क्योंकि जो करते आ रहे हो उससे तो एक ही रिजल्ट मिल रहा है. You have to change something, change a habit of yours.
बिल्कुल.
कुछ लोग जल्दी उठना शुरू कर देते हैं. Life changes for them.
Absolutely,
Some people start taking up fitness. Some people, like when I took my decision of becoming a single mom, that was also a growth mindset. I could
100%.
not grow, I felt, because there were things that were impacting my beliefs
Yes.
and values, and I could not have let those pass on to my daughter. So I took that belief, and once again I was questioned कि अकेले कैसे करेगी, my family. But obviously, like family does show you the mirror कि ये सही है नहीं है. They'll show you the pros and cons, but at the end of the day, they support you.
Yes.
So I took that risk, and once again, first 2 years were a struggle for me.
Obviously, you're building again, rebuilding. in
Rebuilding.
fact. Yes.
Yeah, I'm unlearning.
Unlearning.
Because you're used to doing everything together, thinking of things in a cohesive way.
Yes.
And now I think I have learned so much out of this experience, and I've grown so much as a person after my divorce, after, coming out of it, that I have started to give myself that value which I never ever gave.
And that's so important for everybody around you. Not only what value you give, that is what you give other people to give you value.
Yes.
Wow.
Because I have only realized now that I never valued myself, which is why I didn't get that.
100%.
And now that I do value, I'm attracting those things because that is the law of attraction.
That is what you're putting into universe.
Yes.
I value myself. The people who value me will always stick to me, irrespective of what happens.
Yes.
And this is so good that you said कि decision लेना life में कितना जरूरी है.
Yes.
The biggest problem today when I talk to females is only one thing. मैं क्या करूं? And इस decision को कैसे लूं? अगर हमने ये सीख लिया, then we have crossed most of the
Correct.
hurdles of our life. One thing I would like to know, what was the biggest challenge that you faced when you started Tansy Mommies? And like you said कि I am a single mother. मैं अपनी daughter पे क्या reflect करूंगी? ये बहुत बड़ा challenge होता है. इस तरीके का क्या एक था that was biggest roadblock in your journey? Biggest roadblock.
So I think for Tansy Mommy, as per me, my roadblock has only been the fact that I didn't know anything. I was outside of this world. I was not active on social media before this, and honestly, मैं अपने आप को, when I used to see other people, I used to always feel मैं तो कभी ये कर ही नहीं सकती, मैं तो story डालनी भी नहीं आती.
Really?
Because I used to think कि लोग कैसे लिख देते हैं ये चीजें, क्या caption लिख देते हैं, what wit, and I used to always have this guilt inside me कि मैं नहीं कर पाऊंगी. but it just happened so naturally, and I realized कि कुछ जानने की, prior knowledge लेने की ज़रूरत नहीं है, because when I started, I did not have a camera, no iPhone, just a basic OnePlus, no tripod, nothing.
You had your life.
Yes. And till date, I don't work on a laptop.
Wow.
I only work on my phone. उसी से मेरा काम हो जाता है.
Wow.
And so I think, yeah, my biggest roadblock was only the fact कि एक क्या मैं कर पाऊंगी, because मेरे को कभी पता ही नहीं. It's like unknown territory completely. And B, initially I thought, मुझे लगा था people will kind of question or single me out because of some of the things that I did with Noor, in the sense that gave her a pacifier, gave her formula, but the kind of support I received was unbelievable. And that just told me कि सब करते हैं but कोई बोलता नहीं है.
हाँ, authentic रहो. That's what you did. Basically, you were authentic, and that is why you have grown so much. अगर आपने जो बात बोली थी पहले कि if I keep covering who I am, एक दिन तो दिखेगा.
Exactly.
And if I'm uncovering everything I do, I am what I am, and that is why I'm growing.
True. I'll give you an example.
Yeah.
Sorry to interrupt you,
नहीं,
but
नहीं,
screen time, very big issue with mothers,
Absolutely,
right?
absolutely.
And मैं खुला दिखाती थी कि नूर लंच स्क्रीन टाइम देख के
कर रही है. Wow.
Despite being a certified child nutritionist, and I know it is wrong, but it works for me as a mother, it works for her as a child, because the entire day उसको नहीं चाहिए, फिर उसको बस एक टाइम अगर मैं वो दे दूं, we are sorted. बाकी 2 मील्स तो वो अपने आप बिना स्क्रीन टाइम के खा रही है ना, और मेरी उससे शांति बनी है घर में, right? There's no रोना धोना, tantrums, the full day. So I realized that later. पहले मैं भी बहुत प्रेशर में थी, you know,
Right.
कि हटाना है हटाना है हटाना है. I
Right,
tried.
right.
हम करते थे, but the whole day used to be so stressful for me. I used to be always angry कि खाना खाने में 1 घंटा लग रहा है, because you know suddenly you remove screen time, तो 1 घंटा तो लग रहा है.
Yes.
और 3 meals 1 घंटा प्लस 2 snack time, full day आप सिर्फ खाना ही खिला रहे हो.
Occupied you. हाँ, मतलब वो पर्पस हो गया लाइफ का कि खाना खिलाना पर्पस है लाइफ का. एंड आई एम टेलिंग यू, आई मीन द वे यू सेड इट, मैं एक टाइम देती हूँ बट विशफुली देती हूँ और बिना कोई प्रॉब्लम
हाँ.
के. Wow.
मेरे लिए that works.
That works.
And I'm not ashamed to say that कि वो मेरे लिए वर्क करता है, और मैं नहीं छुपा रही हूँ. So
मतलब हमें छुपाना क्यों है, इज अ बिगर प्रॉब्लम.
because people think that you know you are influencing. Honestly, हम influencer खुद को नहीं कह सकते. We are just content creators. It is people who make us influencers. If we are able to influence them, only then can we be called as influencers. We are
Yes.
just sharing our life.
Yes.
So I think all of these little things kind of, you know, were the struggle, little fears,
yes.
doubts here and there, having no knowledge about social media, about tools, editing. And I think मुझे अभी भी नहीं है ज़्यादा. I can only do like a Canva post on my own, और मैं basic editing कर लेती हूँ खुद.
That's why we always see you growing. मतलब you seeing your journey, growth. And you know the biggest part is you've just not grown. You have built a platform and sustained that platform and then again risen up, which is very different. एक stagnancy आती है, but I've
Correct.
just seen you going up because you're just open to tell all the problems जो आज मैं face कर रही हूँ, आप भी face कर रहे हो, आप भी face कर रहे हो. Let's resolve it together.
Correct.
Now tell me one thing. हम वुमेन एम्पावरमेंट की बात करते हैं, हम फाइनेंशियल इंडिपेंडेंस की बात करते हैं. फाइनेंशियल इंडिपेंडेंस आई पर्सनली फील आ जाता है वंस यू स्टार्ट अर्निंग वट एवर यू अर्न, इट्स फाइनेंशियल इंडिपेंडेंस. And you're so beautiful, Tanya, but you're a combination of beauty with brain. And this purpose-driven entrepreneurship journey जो है आपकी, how financial independence helped you in this journey? Having that knowledge कि मुझे financial independent में पहले थी, अब realign कर रही हूँ खुद को और वापस उसी journey पे वापस आना, and then I have to top it up. Now that motivation of financial independence ने कैसे help किया इस journey में आपकी?
So you're right, financial independence is very, very important these days. And for me, I think it is just not, you know, giving me confidence, but it is, you know, the freedom to take decisions, to decide how I will raise my daughter, how I will achieve my dreams. And not just that, I think not just money, it's also about self-respect, about dignity. And I feel in today's world, for every woman out there, financial independence should be a necessity, not a luxury.
Absolutely. It's non-negotiable.
It is just like your roti, kapda, makan. Honestly, it
Very
is.
true, very true.
You just don't need these things. And for me, I think, yes, when I was working with EY, I was financially independent. But then when I took that step of letting everything go, taking that break, I was not dependent on anyone because I had my savings back
So
from them.
important, so important.
Which is why very, very important for every woman also to learn about money. Read about money, how to invest it the correct way. या तो सिर्फ बैंक अकाउंट में पड़ा रहता है या हम गोल्ड खरीद लेते हैं.
या हमारे लिए कोई और कर रहा होता है.
Yes.
The biggest problem is आज है मेरे पास पैसे but I don't know where to invest, how to start. But I feel आप शुरू तो करो because once you start taking responsibility कि मेरे को मेरे पैसे manage करना है. I'm not saying even if you're a housewife I feel it's important.
Yes,
How
absolutely.
important is it? It's not that आप working कर रहे हो. आपने अपनी responsibility ली कि I have to take care of my money, where it is investing, what is happening, what is my net worth. Second, आप automatically knowledge बढ़ाओगे ना.
Correct,
एक बार आपने
correct.
responsibility ले ली. And third, you'll be in control. And that is why you are able to take your decisions. Your all the three things are ticked.
Right,
वरना
right.
आप decision कैसे ले पाते कि मैं one of the most wanted, profiles छोड़ के I'm coming into starting something new. Unlearning, the most difficult part, and reaching here.